A true muscle car is not just about speed. It is about attitude, power, and a legacy that refuses to fade. The 1967 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat remains one of the most legendary muscle cars ever produced, representing the peak of American performance and engineering in the late 1960s. It was not just a car, it was a statement and expression of raw power and dominance on the road. The Royal Bobcat package, developed by Royal Pontiac of Michigan, transformed the already powerful GTO into an even more formidable street machine, making it a favorite among drag racers and performance enthusiasts. The Pontiac GTO had already established itself as the pioneer of the muscle car era when it was first introduced in 1964. By 1967, it had undergone several refinements, featuring a sleeker design, improved handling, and even more power under the hood. The Royal Bobcat package was offered as a dealer-installed upgrade, enhancing performance through specially tuned carburetors, advanced ignition timing, and modified cylinder heads. These adjustments unlocked the full potential of the GTO's engine, making it one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. The exterior design of the 1967 GTO was marked by bold styling cues, including a revised split grille, hidden headlights, and sculpted body lines that emphasized its aggressive stance. The addition of Royal Bobcat badging and unique performance decals distinguished it from standard models, making it instantly recognizable among muscle car enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin was designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring bucket seats, a center console, and a rally-style gauge cluster. Premium materials were used throughout, offering a balance of comfort and sportiness. Optional wood grain trim, a Hurst shifter, and a custom tachometer were available, further enhancing the car's performance-oriented interior. Under the hood, the 1967 GTO was powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, producing up to 360 horsepower in its standard configuration. However, with the Royal Bobcat modifications, horsepower was significantly increased, providing even greater acceleration and top speed. A heavy-duty suspension system, performance-tuned exhaust, and upgraded cooling components ensured that the car could handle its immense power with precision. The 1967 model marked the final year of the first-generation GTO, making it highly sought after by collectors. Prices for well-maintained Royal Bobcat editions have continued to rise, with pristine examples commanding premium values at auctions. Even today, the 1967 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat is celebrated as a true icon of the muscle car era, embodying the spirit of performance, innovation, and American automotive excellence.